Hi Sanjog. I had two questions here related to discussions on transaction pages. So here I'm on invoice page and I'm going to create new discussion for one of the contacts. And I'm going to add label to this, and this label is visible on portal. I'll add one more. I'll make it public first and mark it visible on portal. So I added 3 labels. So here I created the discussion, and if I go here, I see this discussion, but I don't see the labels associated with this. Even if I go to the global one, yeah, this is the one I just created. I do not see labels over here. Even in the create new discussion, I don't have that option to add label, even though these labels are marked as visible on portal and I marked them as public. Same thing is happening for the task also. So I'm not sure if it is existing, but I remember I have noticed somewhere in the past where we are able to add labels from the customer portal also to the discussions. Yeah, so that's the question 1. And in question 2, in the customers we have assignments, and under assignments we have this option, mark assignment visible on portal or not visible on portal. So this contact I have added to this customer, and this contact is I have marked this contact is not visible on portal. And if I go to the customer portal, and if I tag that contact, I'm able to select the contact which I have marked not visible on portal. So just wanted to know whether it is expected or not. Yeah, so I mean, if the contact is contact, how contact can be not visible on portal, because it is the contact who is accessing the portal. If we mark employee not visible on portal, then we cannot select that employee. But if we mark contact not visible on portal, we're still able to select it from the customer portal. Yeah, let me know what is expected here. Thank you.